fast UAV traversal through underground tunnels using 2D tilted LiDARs. Our approach relies on two tilted 2D LiDARs whose information is combined into a point cloud. This point cloud is projected into an image that is fed into a convolutional neural network that provides the relative yaw of the drone with respect to the tunnel's longitudinal axis. This information is then used to rotate the point cloud, obtaining a cross-section of the tunnel. With this cross-section and the relative yaw of the drone, it is possible to calculate the required speeds, linear and angular, to keep the drone centered and aligned with the tunnel at speeds of up to 10 meters per second. One of the main components of our proposal is the yaw prediction model, which consists on a lightweight convolutional neural network. Its architecture is driven by the necessity of having a model that can run on the small onboard computer of the real drone, while being able to generalize to many different types of tunnels. For training, a synthetic dataset has been obtained in simulation. For each example in the dataset, the drone is placed in a random position inside a procedurally generated tunnel. Then, the projected point cloud image is captured and saved along with its label, which in this case is the relative yaw of the drone with respect to the tunnel's axis. To ensure that the trained model generalizes, many different types of tunnels have been used to generate the dataset, each of them having a different size, curvature and roughness. An extensive set of experiments have been performed in simulation. In this case, the drone is flying at speeds of 3 and 5 meters per second in a tunnel created with the assets provided by DARPA for the Subterranean Challenge. In this other experiment, the UAV is flying at speeds of 3, 5 and 10 meters per second, but in a 3D recreation of the real tunnel where future deployment of this system is intended. Finally, a preliminary experiment is proposed in preparation for a deployment in a real tunnel. The UAV flies in a drone arena equipped with OptiTrack, so that the poses of the real drone are transmitted to the simulated drone. The simulated drone captures the laser readings, and they are sent to the drone for processing into velocity commands. This experiment shows that the system successfully centers the UAV in the tunnel, and keeps the orientation aligned with the axis of the simulated tunnel.